today we're going to be unboxing the MPT220. I thought this was a gadget to start, however, whenever I opened up the box, I was quickly to learn that it is a massively feature-rich device, and it's very, very small. This is the ideal device for delivery confirmation, like evidence, possibly like police or man guarding solutions, as well as construction industry as well. This is what these people will need. Now let's just take a look at what's on the inside of the box and then talk about its features. So let's get that off there. Now, we have the actual user guide for the actual device, and then of course there's actually a QR code where we can actually download software and manuals. Okay. Now on the inside of the accessories box, we have a 3-pin plug USB. We also have a USB connection, and we have the body worn clip as well. Okay, we'll come back to that in a minute. Now there it is. Let's get that out of the way. That's it there. That's the MPT220. This is the body worn camera, and of course, as you can see, it is very, very small. The screen itself, 2.8 inch inside. The device is IP67. The camera, 1080p, 2 megapixels, 25 frames per second. We also have the infrared. We also have the benefits of 3 hours charge time and a massive 8 hours recording time. And of course, connectivity. Well, that's the interesting part. This device here can do 3G, 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS. It is an absolutely feature-rich device. The battery within itself actually lasts for 3,200 milliamp per hour battery. So of course, massively powerful. And of course, as you can see, it is so small. The body worn clip just simply goes on like this, and then done. And then of course we have major options like the SOS button. When you press the SOS button, that will automatically start streaming the actual footage back to our DSS Pro software. And of course we also have other features like push to talk on the side here, as well as single capture image, and then of course USB for more charging. Guys, look how small it is. And of course it's massively powerful. This will be a good product. All the best.